In today's adventure, we are heading to the Queensland Maritime Museum. After a long hot summer, it finally feels good to be back out in the sun again. But just like any adventure with kids, things don't always go as planned. After dusting ourselves off, we made our way down to the ferry so we could take our trip into Southbank. Once arriving at Southbank, we made our way over to the Maritime Museum.
One of the highlights of visiting the Maritime Museum was exploring the HMAS Diamantina. In September 1980, Diamantina, a World War II era frigate, was presented to the Queensland Maritime Museum. She is the last remaining World War II river-class frigate in the world. Before the dry docks at Southbank became her home, she was used as an oceanographic and hydrographic vessel, whereby she conducted many important research operations, including the discovery of the 12,000 nautical mile Diamantina fracture zone in the Indian Ocean.
Next stop was to see Ella's Pink Lady. On May 15, 2010, the 16-year-old Jessica Watson sailed into Sydney Harbour and became the youngest person to sail solo and unassisted around the world. Ella's Pink Lady is a Sparkman & Stevens 34-foot yacht. The S&S yachts are well renowned for their resilience and seaworthiness. They have a fantastic track record for sailing ocean passages and are a perfect fit for Jessica's solo world circumnavigation.
One of the most unusual boats we saw at the museum was a small vessel named Ep002. At just 9 feet 6 inches, she is one of the smallest boats to sail across the Pacific Ocean. Ep002 made landfall near Mooloolaba. However, her owner Howard Smith was forced to forfeit her on arrival as he had no money to pay import duties.
Next, it was off to Southbank Parklands for some ice cream and a bit of exploring.
And of course, a trip to Southbank would not be complete without a swim in the lagoon.
After a big day, it was time to head back to the ferry for our trip home.
Thanks for watching. We had a fantastic day exploring our own city, and we look forward to more adventures to come.